All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another Kava Sewer review. I'm going to keep going with the Kava Vinaka, marathon here, and I'm going to move on to the Kava Vinaka Waka, which I actually tried yesterday, and I actually couldn't complete the review. It's so strong. Again, Kava Vinaka has this really simple packaging, but on the labels you have more information than you actually just the right amount of information that you need to know. This is a 100% noble kava tested at a facility. It's tested to the extent that they actually know the kava lactone percentage, which is a whopping 14.3% kava lactones. Compare that with like something like a gourmet Hawaiian kava's nene, which comes in at an impotent 3%, 14.3 to 3%. I mean, this kava's about the same price as gourmet Hawaiian kava's nene, but it'll actually put you somewhere significant. So 14.3% kava lactones by dry weight. That's a really powerful number. If you're looking to feel your kava, this is a good place to go. 14.3%. So I'm going to knead this up, and then I'm going to let you know how it tastes and how it feels. I'm going to try to make it that far. Anyways, that's the plan. And all right, bula. All right, so I've prepared the kava here. I used about 1.5 to 1.75 liters of water to 6 heaping tablespoons. And by heaping tablespoon, I mean probably a 1.5 or 1.5 tablespoons. Same thing. This kava has a nice, really peppery smell that jumps out at you. The kava lactones kind of dance in the kava. It's got a really bright smell to the powder. I'm gonna ladle out some into my shell here. I like using ladles now because it keeps you from having to dip your shell in and get it kind of wet. So my method for preparation here is I put in a little bit of really hot water into the bowl, and I soak the kava in that hot water, and then I begin to knead it until I get a kind of a greasy, oily, thick kind of grog out of that hot water. And then I continue to add cold water and knead the kava in the cold water until it no longer has that oily texture to it, until the strainer is kind of porous and kind of grassy and doesn't have much of a, you can kind of feel the oil stop coming out of the strainer as you knead. So bula, and this is again Kava Vinaka Waka, 14.3% kava lactones. Again, spoiler alert, this stuff will couch lock you, and you'll be very happy with it. Super strong stuff. Yep. Woo. This is one of those kavas that, like, you could add a little bit of water to make it a little bit less piney and peppery and springy in your mouth, because it is very potent. And at 14.3%, you're not drinking a soft mild kava. You're drinking something that's going to really put you in that place that you want to be in. If you're going for like a luxury strong kava that has a really good flavor, not as strong as this, but has a really good flavor and is also, very strong, relatively speaking, compared to other kavas, around 11%. Go with the Chief's Choice. If you're looking for a kava that's really strong and just puts you right where you want to be, and especially if you're really waiting to hear the kava, if you're waiting for that kava to come along that's going to sing to you, this is one of those kavas. All right, so I'm gonna it's already hitting me. Just after having one shell, it's already hitting me. Wow. All right, so I'm gonna get back to you in a little while with the final judgments on the Kava Vinaka Waka. And if you stick around until the end of the video, I'm gonna give you a code that you can enter at Kava Vinaka's website for a discount on the Kava Vinaka Waka Bula. All right. Well, I wanted to make sure I finished the review this time. So I've had 4 or 5 shells of this incredibly strong 14.3% Kava lactone Waka from Kava Vinaka, and again, just absolutely stunningly potent. Really puts you in that place that you want to be in when you drink kava. Kind of cracks the code and melts away the anxiety, and really just smooths out the edges of the day, and makes everything just really peaceful and relaxing, and it's exactly what you want, you know, in a kava lactone packed punch mula. So if you go to kavavinaka.com and you order this at the checkout, you use the code KAVASEWER in all lowercase letters, and you'll get a special discount exclusively to the viewers of the Kava Sewer website. Bula to the hula, much love in the kava community, and I'll be coming at you soon with a review of Kava Vinaka's La Wena, their 3rd and final kava. After that, I'll be going back to Bula Kava House, doing some reviews of number 1 and AKAU. I don't know how to pronounce that. Akau? Akau? I don't know. And then also I'll be doing a review of the Tanoa that Kavafied is currently selling on their website. The beautiful Tanoa, I've been putting pictures of it on Instagram. For all those you who don't follow me on Instagram, it's at Kava Sewer. Or no, at the Kava Sewer. I think there was somebody else called Kava Sewer already. All right, so catch you soon. Hope you enjoyed the review. Waka in a Winter Wonderland is the title of this review. This is a 9.5 out of 10 shell kava. Get it while you can, folks. Bula to the hula.